Was there other animal research going on up there? Do you remember?
Animal research. I think there probably, I mentioned something interesting that I don't know whether there is research being done on this, but there were gopher gardens that the action of gophers in tunneling and putting the soil that was present that was brought up by the gophers, you'd have a different flora that would grow on those gopher gardens as compared to plants which were right next to one another. That was, I thought, kind of interesting.
That was going on at that same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah. And also, I know there were botanists, plant ecologists that would have quadrats marked off in the tundra, and they would put marks or toothpicks or something, colored toothpicks, I think, by plants that had gone through maybe 1 year cycle, and they could, by marking in some way, they could tell just how old some of the little plants were, which I thought was really fascinating.
Some pretty ingenious experiments.